Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debru, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at 3 common Instagram affiliate marketing mistakes that you could be making if you're doing Instagram affiliate marketing. So I hope you guys are excited. We're going to be taking a look at 3 different things here that could be costing you some money with affiliate marketing or not helping you make any money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, my name is Dean, I'm with Team Debru, and in today's video, this video is going to be about 3 common Instagram affiliate marketing mistakes that people are making when trying to do affiliate marketing on Instagram. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of these common issues. You might have heard some of them in some of our previous videos that we've been doing throughout the week, specifically around Instagram. However, this is going to localize them all together so you guys can really see how these are actually affecting you guys when you're trying to do affiliate marketing on Instagram. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go to the first mistake that affiliate marketers are making. And the first one is going to be being too aggressive. So a lot of times that I see when people start doing affiliate marketing on Instagram, they right off the bat, without putting too much stuff onto their profile or putting too much thought into the process of what they're wanting to do, with their accounts, they just pretty much start going into hashtags and people's accounts and either start liking a bunch of stuff, start following a lot of people, they start DMing a lot of people, they start posting tons and tons of stuff, and basically what happens is Instagram sees all of that and they are gonna more than likely, if it's right off the bat, they're just gonna ban your account and you're gonna have to start all the way over. If that happens quite a bit, you can actually get issues where they will block your IP and they'll block your device ID. So the phones that you're making your accounts on, your internet that you're making it on, they'll be blocked. So you'll have to go find other ways to get accounts, and it can just run into a lot of problems. So you want to make sure that when you are starting affiliate marketing with Instagram that you actually are warming up your accounts. You're using them normally like you would maybe with your personal account. You know, just liking a few photos throughout the day, commenting on a few things, making a post every now and then. You know, really normal actions that you would see from yourself and not necessarily from like a bot or some sort of automated program where you're going to be spamming tons of people trying to do a bunch of actions at once. And that's where you'll have into these issues. So let's say you get past like the first week or so, being aggressive, cool, you got away with it. After that, what's going to happen is you might not get banned right away, but you might start getting, not really might, there is a very high chance that you're going to get action blocks that'll either stop you from doing the actual action for a few hours of the day, or actually, if it's really aggressive, they'll block you for a few days, almost up to a week, I believe. And if I can remember correctly, I've been blocked like that a couple times. That's why I know all this. So just keep that in mind, guys. You don't want to be super aggressive. Ultimately, being really aggressive is going to get your accounts banned. It'll get your hardware IDs banned. It'll get your IP addresses banned. So don't be too aggressive. It comes off as being spammy. It doesn't come off as genuine. And it's really not going to do anything good for you. So make sure when you're starting these new accounts that you are warming them up, doing a few actions every single day to really get the account going before you start really posting a lot of stuff and being aggressive with it. So that leads us to the next question here. So the next common mistake that I see a lot of affiliate marketers making on Instagram is really through what they're posting. So this is going to be probably one of the most crucial things with Instagram, is that if you aren't posting quality content, it's really not going to do you any good at all. You're not going to get near as much engagement or traffic to your sites, to your products. If you're posting just decent photos, they're just going to keep scrolling on. They might read what you have to say, but they're not really going to be engaged into the conversation. So you want to make sure that you're posting super quality content. And there's some great ways to find some of these. If you watch some of the other videos, I've talked about it briefly, but for here today, one good way to find good content would be to basically see what your competitors are doing. You want to reach out to, not really reach out to them, but you want to look out onto their profiles. You want to see when they're posting, like what times of the day they're posting, what kind of stuff they're posting about. And if you're doing like a general niche, is it something that you can actually repost yourself and put it onto your page and actually have the same results? So these are things that you want to keep in mind in terms of quality postings, but you also want to make sure that you're not posting too much. So one common mistake that I see as well with affiliate marketers is that they just go out and they start posting things throughout the day, maybe like 4, 5, 6, 7 times a day on their profile. And the way that Instagram's algorithm works, you're not going to get as many impressions as you would get on your photo or on your post as you would if you only post once or twice. So it's always better to post on your feed at least once or twice per day. And what you want to do is you want to do some analytics on your account so you know what time your audience is usually awake, when they're most active, so you can figure out what times of the day are actually the best times to make your post in terms of people seeing it and reacting with it, engaging with it, liking it, and really having a good post overall compared to posting 10, 15 times a day. If you're looking to post quite a lot, you still want to post once or twice per day, but what you can do is you can post Instagram story photos. There isn't too much of a limit really with those, just because they do actually kind of go in order as well. And then with those, I typically recommend 6 to 10, 6 to 12 per day will actually help bring some traffic, extra traffic to your site, as well as bring extra attention to your Instagram. And so also when it comes to the quality of your postings and the quality of your content, if you're posting stuff and people are actually engaging with it, they're leaving comments, you want to make sure that you actually engage with them too. It's very important. Nobody wants to feel like you're not really responding to them. Even a simple thank you for your support, or thank you for watching or reading will actually go a really long way in terms of someone staying engaged with your brand or staying engaged with you. They feel it's a lot more genuine. And even with yourself, I'm sure that when you speak, you don't want to be unheard, you don't want to be ignored. So just keep that in mind when people are commenting on your things. And then lastly, the final step, don't use, one of the things that I see a lot of affiliate marketers doing is they are using tools to get free likes, to get free followers, or they're buying likes and followers. And this is something that is basically doing nothing for you. When it comes to using tools for likes and followers, Instagram is super aware of these practices, and they are currently fighting back against any services offering these types of services to you, be it like a social media panel where you can buy likes and things like that, or by some of the apps that you might find in like the Play Store, the App Store. Instagram obviously knows about these, so most of the time these are made off of their API, so they know when things are getting access to them, and that's why if you usually use one of these tools, you might have something pop up on your phone a few days later saying, hey, your Instagram account was compromised, change your password, because they want you to basically stop using those services. So keep that in mind. You don't want to use those things. They aren't doing anything good for you. All of the likes, all of the follows that you are getting, they are from fake accounts. If you look at the actual accounts, they don't really have much anything going on them. Most of them have very few followers, very few photos, and are pretty fresh accounts. So once again, they're fake. They're not going to do anything for you other than give you a little bit of social proof and make your account look nice. They're not going to interact with your account. They're not going to buy anything from your account. And not only that, but let's say that you end up getting 20,000 followers, but 18 or 19,000 of them are fake. So every time you post, you might have 20,000 followers, but what if you only get 30 likes on your photos? That's going to look pretty weird to anyone that's on your account. And, they're not going to think that your products are what you say they are. Your account doesn't really look like what you say it is. So keep that in mind when you're doing these accounts. You don't want to use any automation tools, and you don't want to buy any followers or anything, just because, one, it's extremely hard to take advantage of those practices right now, as well as when it comes to buying followers and buying likes. They are going to do absolutely no good for you. They aren't going to interact with anything that you're doing. They're not going to purchase anything from you. They're not going to give you their email for anything. And overall, it's a complete waste of your time, and you would have so much more success if you grow your account and learn. Not only will you have success, but you also learn a ton about Instagram. If you actually do it organically and you do it the way that we're showing you, you'll have tremendous success with growing your Instagram accounts. It might take a little time, but in the end, you're going to have a lot better results, and I think you're going to enjoy it a lot more.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.